In this video, we're diving into non-capturing groups in regular expressions. These are a powerful tool for organizing your patterns without the overhead of storing every match. It is grouping without capturing. Let's look at the basic syntax. The structure for a non-capturing group is open parenthesis question mark colon pattern close parenthesis, that is, open parenthesis colon pattern close parenthesis. The key components are the open parenthesis question mark colon, which starts the non-capturing group. Then you put in your regular expression pattern. Finally, close the group with the close parenthesis. Consider this scenario. We have a pattern which is cat or dog food. Our text is cat food is good. When we search this pattern on the text, it creates an unwanted capture group for alternation. The output is cat, which is an unwanted capture. We only wanted grouping and not capturing the text. Now let's implement the solution to the problem we discussed in the previous slide. We use non-capturing group here. The pattern is open parenthesis question mark colon cat or dog close parenthesis food. When we search this pattern on the text, it groups without capturing the match. The output is an empty tuple, that is, no unwanted captures. Still matches the pattern but does not store groups. It is perfect grouping without memory overhead. Let's go through a practical example. We want to match emails with domains. The pattern is one or more word characters followed by @, then open non-capturing group Gmail or Yahoo close non-capturing group.com. Only capture username and not domain choice. So the text is john@gmail.com. The group 0 gives john@gmail.com. The group 1 gives John. There is no group 2 since domain is not captured. Let us understand with the help of another practical example. We have to extract domain from URLs. The pattern is open non-capturing group https close non-capturing group, not / one or more times. Here we group protocol but don't capture it. So the text is https example.com /page. Group 0 is https example.com. Group 1 is example.com. Protocol grouped but not captured. Let us understand the difference between capturing and non-capturing groups. In capturing groups, the pattern is open parenthesis cat or dog close parenthesis loves open parenthesis fish or meat close parenthesis. When we search for the text cat loves fish, it stores all grouped matches in memory. But in non-capturing groups, pattern is open non-capturing group cat or dog close non-capturing group loves open non-capturing group fish or meat close non-capturing group. When we search for the text cat loves fish, it groups for logic but no memory overhead. When to use non-capturing groups. We use it when we need grouping for alternation, apply quantifiers to groups, don't need to reference matches and reduce memory usage. The code snippet is open non-capturing group HTTP or HTTPS or FTP, close non-capturing group : The key advantages are faster regular expression execution, less memory consumption, cleaner match results, and better performance at scale. So group when needed and capture when useful. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.